Alright guys, I'm just experimenting with a different stain. So this is the main body of the stock, and I'm applying just pure Danish oil here and see where we get with that. I mean, this is a generous coat, an application. Um, really like the red. I know it's not going to be the final color of it, but I can see the end product here. I'm super content with that. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry um, for 20 minutes or so, and I'll show you what I have going on with the upper grips. Alright, so the upper grips here, I have some areas coated with this here. It is super dark Spanish oak. I diluted some of it. It's kind of thick with mineral spirits, and I went over the top just to get some areas darker than the other to hide some imperfections. But going ahead with Danish oil here, and I can see where the contrast is going to be. Definitely like the looks of that. It's going to be much lighter. I will let that set. I'll grab the other piece here and do the same thing. This is definitely doing the trick. It looks darker on camera than it is for some reason, but they seem to match the stock pretty well. I'll keep going here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after it's been drying for 20 minutes. Alright, back 20 minutes later, and this is what I got. Love the color. And this is where the work is going to stop, with this piece here. Now bringing these two pieces together, I'll say they're pretty close. I'll see what I can do to maybe hide all of this light areas. And this piece is a lot lighter, so I'm gonna hit this one again and get it to match this as much as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, continuing the work on the stock, finish the stain here. This is two applications of Danish oil with um, about 8 hours in between for all these pieces. Now the upper handguard is the only piece that is missing, and the reason being it came out a lot lighter, so I decided to apply one more coat just to get it as dark as all these pieces, and I think I managed to get them close in color. And what I'm going to be doing is applying boiled linseed to the stock here and seeing how that will react and how the wood will look afterwards. So there it goes. Just got a rag here. Alright, so this is what I got. This is the first application. Wait 10 minutes and give it another pass. I've got 10 minutes passed on stock. I'm just wiping off the axis here. This stuff, if it pulls anywhere, it will gum up. The runs will be like really hard to get rid of. So, with a quick wipe. Apply another coat. That's the final look, guys. I'm not going anything shinier than this. I'm just gonna let this dry overnight, and that'll give me time to finish the rest of the metal. And there it goes. I think it turned out great. Let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, the work on the rifle has been completed. Um, this is what the final look of this stock is gonna be. I'm happy with how it turned out. All the scratches on the receiver and the barrel have been removed. Everything has been rust blued. And the bolt looking good. Firing pin as well. And final staining on this piece, I think, paid off. This is going to just look like that. I can't get it any closer. It's a different type of wood than the rest, so we're just gonna put it back together, and there it goes. Alright, so the only thing I'm waiting on is the striker spring. When I disassembled the bolt, this is what came out. So I've ordered one already, and when it comes in, I'll be reassembling the bolt and test firing it. So until then, thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts.